Okay. So what we have today is some rose petals which were kindly sent from Afghanistan, thanks to Anshita and people she knows. And we have some dehydrated koji. I think this is on basmati rice that I grew, I don't know when. Oh, during Koji Con. And I've dehydrated this. So I will, we plan to make a rose petal sugar with it, with the koji. So we're just going to clean this up a little bit and take out any bits that aren't, that will just lend some vegetal flavor but not, also it will dilute the rose petal flavor, so you don't want that. And these just smell gorgeous.
Sweet smell, no?
Yeah. Just, I think eyeballed koji about, pick the harder bits.
Are you going to grind all of this?
Yeah, we'll grind the koji.
Okay.
Also with this, there's some moisture in here.
Okay. So you don't want the moisture in the koji?
Yeah, just because the salt is hygroscopic anyway.
Okay.
I always have trouble saying that word. But it'll attract moisture with sugar, so we want to keep it as dry as possible. So also to store this in the fridge once it's done.
And we're doing this because we want a dry end product.
Yeah, we want a dry end product that we can sprinkle on something that's like a kheer or a paisam is what I'm thinking.
So which ones? So this is moist, you're saying?
It's a little bit moist because I didn't dehydrate it fully, just enough to be able to travel safely with it.
Okay.
So I'm just picking off bits that are dried. And this will amplify the rose petal floral notes and also. Okay. So just a little bit, and even the sugar we can do by taste. Maybe like that sounds about right. Maybe a little bit more actually, because it is quite strong. Okay, we can blend it and see. I think all of this can go. Yeah.
Okay. So we grind all of this together.
Yeah. So here we have the powdered Afghan rose sugar with koji, and it tastes in Kai's words like perfume. And what to do with it? This is good, like just sprinkled on something that you want this slight rose flavor too, and it's I think it'd be good on kheer or paisam.
Oh, you're saying like a cocktail?
Yeah, to rim a glass. It's not overpowering rose, but it's like a really nice subtle amount of rose. So good.
Yeah. Can you ferment with this?
So the koji adds like that level of complexity to this. I imagine like not using koji, it would be like flatter and just rose flavored, but this has like a few like floral notes. What was your question?
Can you use this to ferment it?
Yeah, you can actually blend this, not blend it, mix it, dissolve it into water, and then it will ferment itself because koji is already in there.
Okay.
And it's like a nice, slightly rose flavored drink. I'm sure you could put it into tea and stuff, but then it's too hot. But it will make a nice iced tea. Just sweeten an iced tea with it, like a green tea.
green iced tea.
Green iced
Flavor.
tea with rose, yeah. And yeah, I would just, like you say, allow it to speak to me, to inspire and see what it can go with.
What's that? What's that?
This is paisam with fortified rose petals, Afghani rose petals, Afghani rose petals,
That doesn't
sugar.
sound edible.
It sounds beautiful, and it's like, you know, the rose petals, the most amazing. Look at that! Look at that!
Like it's subtle, but it's
Where's the rose in it?
Beautiful.
Gentle, like aftertaste wafting.
Aftertaste wafting.
Yeah, like you can almost like taste it in your nose, if that makes sense. Try it out. Tell me what you think. And
Comment below.
okay.